Hi guys, today we are going to discuss a topic known as deleting an element from a linked list. Consider a linked list with 3 elements. Now 1 is the head of the linked list. Now if we want to delete an element, it can be present either at the head or at the rest of the linked list. So we can introduce a dummy node to take care of both the cases in one go. And it is going to point to the original head. Now what we are going to do, we are going to maintain 2 different pointers. One will be the previous and one will be the current pointer. So the current pointer will be the pointer that is going to have the element that needs to be deleted. So let's say we want to delete 2. So the current is going to point towards 2 and the previous is going to point toward 1. Now how exactly is this going to work? So we have added a dummy node. So this is our previous, this is our current. We are going to iterate the current pointer till we find the key. So the key currently is 2. So we check while current is not equal to null and current.data is not equal to key, we are going to just iterate it to the next pointer. Prev equals to current, that is, and current equals to current next. Now this while loop is going to work till the time we find a key or the linked list is at the end, that is the element is not there inside the linked list. So let's take the case 1 where the element is present in the linked list. Now since the element is present, we exit the while loop. So the current is going to point towards 2 and the previous is going to point toward 1. Now we need to delete this element from the linked list. So what we are going to do, we are going to have to change this particular pointer here and we have to create this new particular link. To do that, previous next equals to current ka next, current equals to current ka next, that is, this is the new current and this link is deleted, this link is there. Now this particular point memory needs to be deallocated. So first we delete this, delete, okay, before, okay, so this was our last current. What we need to do is, so our element 1 is already pointing towards 3. So what we need to do, delete current, that is, this memory is free, and after this we will do simply current equals to previous, that is this next. and then we just simply return the updated list head.